Thinking about finally taking control of your Bitcoin and moving it off PayPal? Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to break down exactly how to transfer your Bitcoin from PayPal to your own external wallet, step by step. While keeping security top of mind, let's get started. First, open your PayPal app and navigate to your crypto section. You should see your Bitcoin balance display. Tap on Bitcoin to proceed. Next, look for the transfer button. It's usually near the bottom of the screen. Tap on transfer. You might see a warning message reminding you about transaction fees and irreversible transactions. Read it carefully and then proceed. You'll now be presented with transfer options. Choose send to a wallet. This indicates you want to send your Bitcoin to an external address. Time to grab your external wallet. Open your wallet app or connect your hardware wallet and find your Bitcoin receiving address. You can either copy the address or, even better, use the QR code scanner within the PayPal app to scan the QR code displayed by your wallet. Scanning the QR code is less prone to errors than manually typing the address. Now, carefully, and I mean carefully, double-check that the receiving address displayed on PayPal exactly matches the address shown in your external wallet. A single wrong character can mean your Bitcoin is lost forever. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to transfer. Pay close attention to the estimated transaction fee. PayPal displays this fee is what the Bitcoin network charges to process your transaction. Once you're absolutely sure everything is correct, confirm the transaction within PayPal. You'll likely need to use two-factor authentication to authorize the transfer. After confirming, your Bitcoin will be sent. It will initially show as pending in your PayPal account. The transfer time depends on the Bitcoin network congestion. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more for the transaction to be confirmed and reflected in your external wallet. Once confirmed, you'll see the Bitcoin balance update in your external wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully moved your Bitcoin. Don't forget to secure that wallet. And happy hodling!